Hey everybody, 3:45 and 5 seconds now, February 15th. This is the drawing for the New Mutants 87, graded 9.6. Over here are the 30 filled spots. Alright, let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 13, lucky 13. I'm going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. If there's a chance I can pass by the post office on Saturday, which is tomorrow, I will. If not, worst case scenario, it will ship out on Monday. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one, 13, spot 3, Mike Fazzini. Congratulations. Time just turned 3:46. It's 3:46 and 5.